Multiply 44 by 425 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 22. The first partial product is 220. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. The second partial product is 880. Now use the hundreds digit, 4. Start two places to the left. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 17. The third partial product is 17,600. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 2 plus 8 plus 0 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 7 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 18,700. So 44 times 425 is 18,700.